Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today we are going to go check out our mums and I'm going to show you how to prune them to elong their life while you have them. So the number one thing that they need is water, and they do love sunshine. I've had these ones for about a month already, so I've got all of the other ones at the front of the house, and then I've got these big orange ones here inside of the garden. So what we're going to do is we're going to deadhead them. So all you do is you grab, here I'll come over here into where it's a little bit shadier so we can actually see. Perfect. It's really sunny over on that spot of the garden. So you're going to take a pair of scissors or pruners and you're going to come in to your plant and you're going to find the dead ones. And you know what, you might not even need pruners for this because you could pop them right off. But I just like using a pair of pruners. It just makes things easier. So you're gonna find the dead heads and you're just trimming them off. And what that's gonna do is that's going to promote, and I just let them fall right into the plant because it doesn't really matter. So that's going to promote new growth and direct all of the energy back into the other, so ones like these, so into the new growth. So come through on all the plant, snip away those dead heads anywhere that you're seeing them, and continuously do that all throughout the plant. And within a couple of days, new shoots are going to start, and you're going to continuously keep getting these beautiful blooms. Like I said, I've had these since the beginning of September. It's now Thanksgiving weekend here in Canada, so we are mid-October, and these are still going strong. So as long as you are, like, look at these, they're huge and they're beautiful. So as long as you, like I said, are watering them, giving them sun, coming out and deadheading them, you should be able to keep these all the way through until at least Halloween. So that is deadheading the mums. We're gonna have to really work on these ones over here because they're starting to die, but if you can see in the corner here, it doesn't get a lot of sun. Like, we're at full sun at the front of the house and it's not, they're pretty shaded. So just make sure you're following directions on taking care of them, and you should have them for a while. Thanks for watching. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.